Got my trusty bottle of hand sanitizer here that I'm going to use for a prop for this. But anyway, one of our videos we were talking about the other day with shoulder problems. A lot of people were asking me about, they've got rounded shoulders, and they were asking about posture supports to help bring their shoulders back. Well, I really don't like those. I kind of think they're like a quick fix, and that never works. But all of us, we're looking down at our phones, we're sitting in a desk at a keyboard. Everybody's shoulders are kind of rounded a lot more than what they used to be. And so one of the easiest exercises and best ones I think to do to help with shoulder issues in your posture to get those shoulders back, you want to strengthen the muscles between your shoulder blade and your spine. And so an easy way to do it, it's almost like you're starting a lawnmower. And so like for this, you could just use an old jug and put some water in it. And you just want to bend over like this, kind of keep your back straight. And then it's like you're just starting a lawnmower. You just kind of take it down, bring it up towards your armpit. Nice and easy, just like that. I would do like 10 reps with both hands. And then, after doing one set, if that's too easy, then I would go to 2 or 3 sets, 3 sets of 10. And try to do that, 2 or 3 times a week. And there's a lot more things we can do, but this is a real simple one to get started with. And we can add some more advanced and harder exercises later. Have a great day.